Alright guys, hey, it's Mr. G, Mr. Wells, and we're still on Unit 10, Day 2, and here we're asking you to complete a function table. We're giving you the equation. It's a linear equation of y equals x minus 3, and the only thing you really need to do is just complete the table. A lot of this is pretty elementary. It's a lot of just plugging in values and solving for the missing value. So for this one, you can see that they give us all of these x values. So what I'm going to do is one at a time is I'm going to take each one of these x values and plug it into the equation, and that's going to give me my missing y. So let's do the first one together. Let's see, so I'm going to write my equation, y equals x minus 3. We just said let x is negative 4, so y equals negative 4 minus 3, and that's going to give us negative 7. And I'm just going to keep on doing that. Y equals x minus 3, and for x it's negative 1 minus 3, and we can see what that is, a negative 4. And then just keep going. I'm going to do it a little shorthand, so x minus 3, and let's see, x for this one is 2 minus 3, that'd be a negative 1, and you can notice there's a bit of a pattern. And then finally, to finish it up, x minus 3, plug in that last one, 3 minus 3 we know is 0. And that is completing a function table for a linear function. Oh, hey.
Hey, there we're back. We're back. All right.
There we go.
There we go. All right. Number 3, same kind of thing here, except for one little difference. Here, we're missing an x value, but we're given a y value. So we're going to do the same exact thing to find these two missing y values first, and then I'm going to show you what we can do to find this one. So the equation is right here, y equals 5x minus 8. So y equals 5 times, we're going to plug in this 1 to find out what goes in the y, minus 8. And 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So we know negative 3 goes in this spot right here. And now I'm going to show you how to do this bottom one first, and then we'll skip back to do the other one. So once again, y equals 5 times, we know 8 is x, minus 8, we know 40 minus 8 is 32, so this block down here gets a 32. Now, the one we're missing is this one right here. We're trying to find the x coordinate, so this time we're going to plug in 12 for y. So my equation is y equals 5x minus 8. I'm plugging in that 12 for the y, so 12 equals 5x minus 8. And what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to figure out what y is, or what x is. Draw my line. I'm going to add 8 to each side and then divide to figure out what my value for x is. Just a normal equation, divide both sides by 5. X must have been 4 in order for that output to be 12, so 4 is my input there in the x column.